भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Continuing the teachings of Brahmrishi Devraha Baba, I start the next videos on his teachings. The eternal energy of Paramatma is called Maja. It is neither real nor unreal. It is beyond understanding. When it starts embracing you, do not even try to understand it. Running from it is as far as you can is wisdom, and also it is salvation. It is good to know it, but it is dangerous to challenge it because it is very strong. When you drop the veil of Maza, you can get the opportunity to see God. Maza is only afraid of devotion to God. That's why devotion to God is of particular importance. Why do you seek salvation from Maza? Is it so necessary to start a confrontation with it? It runs the universe. It is head over ears in this work. Its mere wish will put you face to face with God. It's not wise to challenge it. It will be a mistake to take pride in one's knowledge and austerity. Never forget about God, even if He for some moment forgets about you. Your worry in this case will also be devotion to Him. Love of God starts with sorrow over separation with Paramatma. Tears of love comes to the eyes and the whole world becomes hostile. Gradually, as connection with the spiritual teacher or God grows, senses will come to balance, and little by little there will not remain even the slightest notion of the difference between the thought and the object towards which this thought is aimed. In this state, breath will slow down and become regular. This state is called Janabhava Samadhi. This state brings liberation from false identification of self with own body. In the field of devoted love of God, mainly dhyana samadhi, the state achieved through concentration of mind, meditation represents all, as even one moment of this state generates more bliss than even yoga samadhi, going deep inside one's own self with the help of yoga practice. Appearing in the shadow of God, Maja conceals its power. This is a rule. My son, my nature is immense. I am present everywhere. These words you hear now are the words of God. In order to punish the sinners, God sends suffering, grief, torments, diseases, etc. Sometimes exhausted by diseases or suffering, man like the elephant leader, disregarding any obstacles, starts to pray. In this way, he is liberated from suffering and finds belief in God. Thus, the grace of God is contained in his punishment. Therein, where there is temple of God, there is the statue of God. There one partakes of nectar from his lotus feet. Worship of the stone statue is the first stage of the ladder to God, a road to the training of mind. Because of own stupidity, man considered the Ishtra mantra of the selected patronizing deity, to be merely a combination of sounds, and God's statue to be merely a stone. A spiritual teacher often estranges from such man. Because of own stupidity, man considers each mantra of the selected patronizing deity to be merely a combination of sounds and God's statue to be merely a stone. A spiritual teacher often estranges from such man. We have to be very, very careful. Your deeds must be virtuous. Avoid the bad deeds and have control on your senses. And mantra japa must be done continuously, regularly, and control the senses. Grace of saint people, Mahatmas. Mahatma, great soul which has no cause and no passion, is granted to each according to one's inclinations, diligence, and needs. Its amount cannot be conditioned by the quality of prasad that you offer. My son, in order to find God, it is necessary to have a pure soul. This will help to reach material welfare, leading your life in accordance with the instructions from Shastra. Try to take all of the sadness and suffering on the chin. In due time, this will take you to God. My son, Guru Tattva has a great significance. It is extremely mysterious. Owing to its grace, it is possible to grasp understanding of both worlds, material and spiritual. The natural state of yoga is also conditioned by the fair favor of your spiritual teacher. In Shastra, Guru Tattva is valued even more than Ishvara Tattva, his nature. However, disciples' aptitude is conditioned by the fear of his spiritual teacher. My son, if you board on a boat with me, then you should take inside a bundle of all your earthly anxieties as they are no more your concern. God is compassionate to all. His natural grace flows constantly as the rain does. So, what should a man ask God for? Then he forgets about a prayer. This is a greatest tragedy. My son, when my body ceases to exist, then without any fuss, put it directly into Yamuna. My eternal grace covers all of my bhaktas. Sri Baba left an order to his followers so that as far as possible they should refuse taking meals with onion, garlic, beans, vegetable, marrow, and observe Ekadasi fasting. Don't give way to despair, my devotees. I will come to existence again. Disobedience to a spiritual teacher, censoring Vedanta Shastra, distrust to the words of Acharya, spiritual leader, Guru, founder, treatment of the name of God and His glory as empty words, commitment of evil deeds behind a prayer, these all are sins. A deliberate crime souls of such worshippers will never purify. He who concentrates his mind on God, on Paramatma, which is always present in his soul, has performed ablution in all of the holy places, like King Bali has given presents to all honest Brahmins, has received benefits from 10 million sacrificial offerings, has also received benefits from a righteous divine service, has pleased his forefathers with the offering of delicious food, has helped them to reach divine planets. Considering the names of God contains a wonderful power. With his involvement, a soul can see the divine light, all of its vices subside, and gradually it receives the sensation of being whole with Paramatma. With the power of name of God, many receives. Wise man, prophet of truth. Muni, wise man, ascetic, a man who keeps silence. Dhruva, epic hero. Prahlada, king of demons, and other bhaktas of God have been liberated from reincarnation in the age of Kali. There is only one way to receive purification, and it is considering the names of God and meditating upon Him. Kali Yuga is only based on the name, that is why you should always remember this and always righteously consider the name of God. Soul should also be considered as light concealed by the five sheaths of a rough physical body. Likewise, taking into account the three states of body, wakefulness, sleep, and deep sleep, without dreams, it should be considered pure, invariable, and eternal. He who celebrates humility and also he whose humility is celebrated by his devotees is a magic sound Om which contains all of the names of God. So you should gain control of your body and give priority to the sound Om and also study it with diligence. Then God will appear like the hidden flame. When you are free from yourself and my, you will reach closer to God. This is a true delight. Hand over to God everything you own. You will see that the day will come when God gives you all. If a believer truly relies on God, then he will undoubtedly preserve this sport. Inferior social castes spring from the lotus feet of Vishnu and belong to Ganga, river Ganga, goddess of the river Ganga. Thus, from the point of view of Shastra, all of them are brothers of Ganga. Inferior jnana, knowledge, karma, activity, and worship of God are the three parts of whole. There is no principal difference among them. Jnana and karma are the integral properties of strong faith. Similarly, inevitable is the obstacle on the way to get knowledge, and namely, concentration on the benefits that are generated by activity, which is also the basis to worship of God. Unavoidability of karma has been proved, but through it, one can also see the capacity for devotion and rejection. The difference is only in the point of view. What? From the viewpoint of Antramukhi, turned inwards, thought emerged, meditating of divinity is inconceivable, has no form. That from the viewpoint of Baharmukhi, turned outwards, inclined to outward consciousness, has many forms. That's why both yogi who is practicing yoga, a disciple in any field, an advocate for union with God, and jnani says the one who has knowledge of God equally receive enjoyment. Yes, mostly it is possible to say that the greatest achievement of bhakta is reaching the highest bliss and that the finite goal of jnana and yoga is the same. Following virtaka, thought, and vichara, thinking, there is a state of bliss. Vartika is doubt and hesitation. By emerging into Virtika, yogi learns the properties of substances, and by emerging into Vichara, his vision can reach the soul, the essence of the five universal elements and their primarily forms. A word contained in self, self contained in mind, mind contained in Mahatattva, principle of mind or Buddhi, Hirane Garbha or Brahma. Mahatattva contained in the soul are the means of reaching Svarupa. Exploitation of human body has only one reason, which is listening to the word of God, and by following it, developing the ability to get knowledge of Him. He who develops this ability will reach Him. The man of truth experiences neither joy nor sorrow by becoming Chaitanya Savarupa, aware of own true nature. He fully emerges into a primordial natural state of bliss. Human being is an embodiment of love, mercy, worship, and bliss. I saw false differences, and in order to show union in their temporarily distinction, I have presently started to consider Narayana mantra addressed to Lord Narayana, that is Krishna and Rama mantra addressed to the Lord Rama together. I would like to consider them right now. Taking a meal or milk, one should accentuate the right side, and while drinking water, one should accentuate the left side. Otherwise, the body will get sick. When one gets to know own nature, the veil of Maya falls, and he can see his own divine nature. This is called Swabhava. One can grasp it by glorifying the names of God, concentrating upon Him, meditation, and reading mantras. One who comprehends it becomes a bhakta. Swabhava transforms into love. When it opens, it naturally helps mind to penetrate the realm of soul. Then mind starts into motion. This is the mystery of prema bhakti, overwhelming love of God. When this state is achieved, Sana Adjapa, Anhata Nada disappear. Whereas Shirti, constant contemplation over something, flows into Nirti, great love of going deeply into something, and Divya merges with Brahma. So I stop the video here and will continue in the teachings of Brahm Rishi Devraha Baba in next videos. Thank you, my dear friends, for listening these holy words of Brahm Rishi Devraha Baba. Please like, comment, and share the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you, my dear friends. Namaste, dear friends. Namaskar. Namaskar.